In humid locations like the Philippines, where the climate is tropical, you will want to choose succulents that can thrive in warm, humid conditions. While many succulents are adapted to arid climates, some varieties can still do well in the Philippines if provided with the proper care. For those of you who are in the Philippines and visited my succulent plants collection, for those of you who are in the US and planning to take your retirement journey in the Philippines and focus on your passion for succulents, and for those of you who are living in the Philippines and are wondering what type of succulent can thrive in tropical locations like the Philippines, this video is for you. But before we continue, thank you my 255 loyal subscribers. We are growing. And thank you in advance for liking, sharing, and commenting in my videos. If you are new to this channel and happen to watch this video, I appreciate it if you click the subscribe buttons below to help me grow this channel, motivating me to upload more quality content videos. Welcome to our guide on selecting succulents that can thrive in the warm and humid paradise of the Philippines. While succulents are typically associated with arid climates, there are resilient varieties that can flourish in the tropical embrace of this beautiful country. Here are some succulents that are known to tolerate or even thrive in humid environments. Number 1. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is a hardy succulent that can tolerate various conditions, including humidity. It is known for its soothing gel, which has multiple medicinal properties. Number 2, Snake Plant. Snake plants are excellent for humid climates. They are known for their air-purifying abilities and can withstand different light conditions, making them suitable for Philippines homes and gardens. Number 3, Jade Plant. The jade plant adaptability allows it to flourish in warm, humid climates as long as it's provided with well-draining soil and indirect sunlight. Number 4, Crown of Thorns. This succulent is known for its vibrant flowers. It can tolerate high temperatures and humidity, making it suitable for tropical climates. Number 5, Panda Plant. The fuzzy leaves of Panda Plant store water, making it well-suited for humid environment. It prefers well-draining soil and bright indirect lights. Number 6, Zebra Plant. Zebra plants have attractive zebra-like stripes on their leaves. They are well suited for indoor environments with indirect light. Number 7, String of Pearls. This unique succulent features cascading strands of spherical leaves. It can adapt to humid conditions but should be planted in well-draining soil to prevent overwatering. And last but not the least, Cactus. While some cactus species prefer arid conditions, certain types can tolerate higher humidity. Look for varieties like Christmas cactus or epiphyllum. Cultivating succulents in the Philippines is a delightful journey. Remember, even humidity-tolerant succulents benefit from well-draining soil to prevent waterlogged roots. Additionally, placing succulents in locations with good air circulation can help mitigate potential issues related to high humidity. Adjusting watering frequency based on the specific needs of each succulent is crucial for their overall health and well-being. And that's it for today, guys. Happy gardening in the tropical paradise of the Philippines.